the OneAudio A3 headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the OneAudio A3 headphones. These headphones are inexpensive and come in at about $50. The company sent this out for me to review. I've included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The A3 headphones have active noise cancellation and have 15 hours of playtime with active noise cancellation turned on and Bluetooth, and 18 hours of playtime with just Bluetooth. It comes with a nice carrying case. Inside you get the audio cable, charging cable, airplane adapter, and the user manual. The headphones fold into a convenient compact shape for easy storage. My first impressions of the headphones are that they are very light, and the build quality is decent. The ear cushions are pretty soft. The ear cups have the right and left indicator, and they also have a nice large oval shape. The headband has good padding, and along the top you can see the branding. The ear cups do swivel and fold in nicely for storage. One thing that I really like is you get a good amount of travel for the adjustments. So this would be good for those that have bigger heads and tend to have issues with headphones. On the left side, you have the active noise cancellation LED, the active noise cancellation button, and the charging port. The right side, you have the LED indicator, the multi-function button, which controls your on and off, pairing, call controls, and some playback options. You also have the volume up, previous song, volume down, next, and the 3.5mm aux port. The A3 comes in at about 193 grams, so it's fairly light. So my thoughts on these headphones are that it's a decent value for the price. You get the active noise cancellation that blocks a good amount of ambient noise. The microphone for calls worked fairly well and had no issues. Battery life was good. I give it a 4 for comfort. It provides good padding and it should fit well for those that have bigger heads. 4 for quality and 4 for sound. It has decent lows. Bass is deep, but if you turn it up too high, you will experience some distortion. The mids and highs were acceptable and were pleasant. I felt that it was heavier on the lows, so those that like that type of sound signature, this would be a fit for you. Again, these are $50 headphones, and in my opinion, it provides good value with the features it comes with. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.